the glass roller shutter, and here comes two protectors like this. Never slide down the protector before we have put in the aluminum rails. So part one, we take this cover C and cover it first. Slide down here around 5 to 10 millimeters both. Do not slide down all of them. And then we're going to put the covers in. Very easy. There is a gap there. And then, see, tuck, already locked. Then, it comes here. This is the left rail. And we better put the bottom cover on. And then we slide down the protector. Put this rail onto here. It's already in. And then we are going to put the right one in now. Also, we put this cover in. And then take this out. Insert this in. Remember, always in this rail. Push it in. Hold here. And then push it into the cabinet. See, we almost built it. And then, now we are going to screw it. Before we are going to screw, make sure you have put this rail all touching on the gap of the machine. I mean the glass roller shutter, like this. So there is no gap now. And then I'm going to screw it. This one also slide down a little bit and then push it hardly and touching the junction of the box. Make sure there's no gap between the machine and this rail. And then we put the top cover in. And here comes the roller shutter finished.